Kit the Catter, written by me, Tom Dontigny, for my cat. Kit the Catter, bitter batter, let's get at her. That is the thing, he lives like a king. Kit the Catter, bitter batter, let's get at her. Kit lives like a king, that's indeed the thing. Only the best of food, usually in a good mood. Sleeps 20 hours per day, that is his way. Only the best of kitty litter, used for kit's shitter. Get the catter, pitter patter, let's get at her. That is the thing, he lives like a king. Get the catter, pitter patter, let's get at her. Kit's best hope is that I die first. If I'm the servant, there will be hunger and thirst. Kit the cat is now getting fat, and that is that. Best for him that his life is not just a whim. Kit the catter, pitter patter, let's get at her. That's the thing, he lives like a king. Kit the catter, pitter patter, let's get at her. Kit the catter, pitter patter, let's get at her.